The brand represents the answer to the call of the open road. It's about wanderlust. When people look at an Airstream and it just clicks something in them that they realize, I can get one of those things and I can travel. Live riveted to me means having the courage to get to the end of your driveway and take a turn, to hitch it up and go see something new. You've got your home with you. One of the things I love about this plant in Jackson Center, Ohio, is you can see a travel trailer built from a single rivet where we start to a finished unit all under one roof. To get everything to fit the way it needs to fit takes a lot of craft and a lot of care and a lot of precise detailing. Work which we're happy to do, but it's kind of the opposite of mass manufacturing. Everyone's just a little different. They're made by hand, and it's the nature of handmade things that there's going to be a little variation. We talk about them as being snowflakes. Everyone's just a little different. It's a very important part of our history and our heritage. You can come here and see your trailer being built by people. It's part of our DNA and a very important part. There's some skills you just can't teach from a blueprint. It takes experience, and you build that up over time. And riveting is a great example. It's really hard to put in a single solid rivet so that it has the right clamping and the right sealing so it doesn't leak. Now you got to do that 3,000 times on a trailer. One of the most interesting things about Airstream is the longevity of the workforce, the seniority.
When I was 18 years old, it was on a Sunday, and the following day, Monday, I started here. Been here ever since.
It's so important to build the kind of quality products that we build to have that longevity.
4 generations of my blood's here, and I'm hoping that there'll be more generations.
It's a great place to work. We make a lot of effort to treat everyone as part of a family.
We call this one big family, and it is.